Nokia's back, and they are not messing around. Their new phone, the Magic Max, isn't just another flagship. It's a full-on declaration of war. While Samsung has been busy tweaking software and adding small features, Nokia decided to go nuclear. 200 megapixels. Let that number sink in for a second. We're talking about a camera sensor that captures details you could only even see with your own eyes. And what's Samsung's response to this? Absolute silence. And let's talk about that battery. 7,500 milliamp hours. This is a phone that basically laughs at your charging cable. You could go 2 days, 3 days, maybe even longer depending on your usage. Well, Nokia just said not today. This is old school disruption. And it's forcing Samsung to play defense. When you've dominated the Android flagship market for over a decade, you get comfortable. You iterate instead of innovate. You play it safe. Nokia didn't come to play it safe. The durability, it's military grade. The performance, it's crushing all the benchmarks. The camera system, it's making professional photographers do a double take. This isn't a phone trying to compete. This is a phone trying to dominate. What we're witnessing here
the Magic
is
Max.
a fundamental shift in the market.
Oh, wow.
The conversation is
Look at the
changing
display.
from what's the latest software
Stunning.
feature to wait. How big is that battery again? We're moving away from software release cycles and back to real, tangible hardware advantages. And consumers are definitely noticing. The unboxing videos, the reaction channels, the side-by-side comparisons. People are genuinely excited about smartphones again. And that excitement has a name, Magic Max. Here's what Samsung seriously underestimated. People are tired of paying premium prices for tiny improvements. They want to be blown away. They want a real reason to upgrade that doesn't need a marketing team to explain. Nokia is betting everything on a simple idea. Give people uncompromising hardware, and they will come. And so far, that bet is paying off big time. The market share numbers are telling a story that Samsung does not want to hear. Nokia is climbing, and they're climbing fast. The smartphone revolution isn't coming. It's already here. And it's got a 200 megapixel camera and a battery that simply refuses to die. Welcome to the new era. The Nokia Magic Max is the phone that just reminded everyone what the word flagship is supposed to mean. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives like this.